Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of Coupa software tutorial, a step-by-step guide to streamline procurement and expense management. So let's get started. Coupa is a cloud-based spend management platform designed to help businesses take full control of procurement, invoicing, and expense processes. It simplifies purchasing workflows, ensures policy compliance, and provides AI-driven insights to optimize spending in real time. Whether you're managing purchase orders, expenses, or supplier relationships, Coupa centralizes everything for easier, smarter financial management. The best part is its features. Coupa offers smart procurement and purchasing automation, letting users create and approve purchase orders seamlessly with automated workflows. Expense management and policy compliance are simplified with mobile submissions and AI-powered fraud detection. Real-time spend analytics provide insights into spending trends, supplier performance, and cost-saving opportunities. Supplier and contract management is centralized, while invoice automation ensures accurate accounts payable processing. Coupa also monitors compliance and risk and integrates seamlessly with ERP and financial systems like SAP, Oracle, and NetSuite. All of this helps teams reduce costs, improve compliance, and make data-driven decisions faster. However, there are some considerations. Initial setup can take time, especially when integrating with multiple systems. Advanced analytics and automation features may require some training to use effectively. Smaller organizations might find some features more than they need, but the platform scales well for growing businesses. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.